How to sign a document in Pandadoc. In this video, I'll show you how to sign a document in Pandadoc. So to get started, go ahead and open Pandadoc into your browser, sign into your account, and then open that specific document where you want to add your signature to. So click on that document. Now, once you have opened the document, go ahead and head over into the section where you need to sign that document. So you need to wait for this to load before you can go ahead and proceed on scrolling at the very bottom of this page to be able to find the signature section. So once you scroll down, you'll find the signature section at the bottom. So in here, click on that specific area where you want to add your signature. Go ahead and select who needs to add a signature in here, and then double click on it. And then in here, as you can see, you can draw your signature, type your signature, and upload your signature. So if you don't have a signature file, you can go ahead and draw it in here. You can also type in your signature into the section. So you can also upload the file of your signature if you have that. And then click on this accept and sign button to add that signature into the signature area. Now, that is how you can basically sign a document in Pandadoc. Now, once you're done with this, you can go ahead and proceed on sending this file to that person who needs your signature. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.